Go for it. Okay. Yeah.
So Tony, can you tell us what you're doing here?
Yeah, we're modifying an oil pickup tube on a brand new engine that's going to get that oil pan over there.
Can you do the pedal for me? It's getting this oil pan. Extra deep sump. Fancy oil pan. And why does it need
Hey, hold on 1 second here. I was just making sure I can reach.
what you need?
The engine is on a amphibious vehicle with 4 big tires that crawls in and out of Lake Tahoe at an angle about like this.
Crazy.
And then it parks like this, and when it goes back in the water, it just slides back down the embankment, and you go from there.
So they're not going up a boat ramp, they're going up like in the dirt or something? Or?
Dirt.
Oh,
Coming
wow.
out Lake Tahoe and crawling up an embankment like that, and we got to operate on like a 40-degree angle.
Which the engine's not originally set up to do.
That is correct.
So we got
A deep oil pan.
a deep oil pan, and you're making an extra deep custom sump.
That's correct.
Pickup, sorry, pickup.
That's correct. Okay.
Cool.
Go for it.
Say when, Casey? I'm hitting the pedal here for him. What's that?
Go.
Here we go. So you're just going to tack it and then take it off and weld it on the bench?
Weld it on the bench.
Cool. And this is a QSB 5.9?
QSB 6.7.
Oh, this is a 6.7 slimline. I can't tell from down here. I'm not used to looking at them from this angle.
Okay, let's go on down.
So QSB 6.7 slimline. It's getting a super deep custom oil pan set up. So this is the kind of upfitting we do here at Seaboard Marine, right, Tony?
That's it.
So now you're going to take that off, take it to the bench. Here's the old oil pan. So, need help? Need help? Oh, whoa. Okay, I got you here. You're about to touch down. Okay, touch down there.
Yeah.
I wouldn't stand under it.
All right.